This start, okay, Naz, what do you do to change a fraction to a percentage? What do you have to do? Sorry? What do we do to change it to a percentage? Going from times it by 100, Jackson. So we're going to multiply this by 100, right? What's the next step?
Make it a fraction, so write the line and then 1 under 100.
Oh, okay, yeah, interesting, cool. Yeah, and now what are you going to do next, Jackson?
You can do like 4 times 100.
Yeah? So you're going to do 4 times 100 is 400?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Oh.
Do you going to do 4 times 100?
You can do 3 times 100 instead.
Oh, shh. Okay, 3 times 100. And then that's divided by 4 times 1, which is 300 over 4. Yeah? Yeah, and then where would you go next? Angelina, what would happen next? Right, so you can divide it. So 4 into 100 is 4 into 300 is what? What do we get? 4 into 3 is what? 0. 4 into carry the 3. 4 into 30 is
7.
28. 7. 2. 5. So now we're left with 75%. There is another way to go about this. I was hoping you'd have gone that way. Malala, which way? What's the other way?
You can divide like each number by the same, like 20 got into.
Yeah, so what's that?
I did start off with 2.
So 4 and 100? Is that what you're saying?
Like 3 times 3. It'll be 300 over 4.
Okay, that's what we did here.
And then you can divide.
Oh, so you did cut and cut divided by 2. Yeah, Harlow. 4 into 100, yeah, because this is top and bottom. You can simplify this. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 100 divided by 4 is 25. I was hoping a lot of people would have gone this method, but that's okay. So you have to know that you can simplify top and bottom. Let's go to the next question. Harrison, what do you do to change this fraction to a percentage? What did we do in the previous question?
Times it by 100.
Right, so that's the first start. Times by 100. Jasmine, what's the top and bottom we can do here now? Using the advanced method. How can we simplify this? You can always simplify top and bottom.
Divide 5 and 5 to 105.
Correct. 5 and 100. 5 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5. That's going to be 1 and 20. What are you left with now, Amar?
21 times 20.
21 times 20?
1 times
Sorry? 1 times 20 or 2 times 20?
2 times.
Yeah, 2 times 20. There is a 1 there. You're right, Amar. That looks confusing. Right? But look at this. 40 over 1, which is what? 40%. Okay? We don't write the 1 there. Now, Lucas, what do we do to change this fraction to a percentage?
You times it by 100.
Oh no, times by 100. What can this and this go divide by, Angelina? Divide by 2. Is there a higher number, Ella? Shh. Angelina, is there a higher number? Divide by 4, Jackson. Divide by 4, divide by 4. Okay? So now, 8 divided by 4 is what? 2. 100 divided by 4 is what? 25. Can we now do, can anything divide by 2? 5 and 2? No. 25 and 2?
5 and 5.
5 and
5
5.
and 25.
But is that going to divide?
No.
What's going to happen there, Emma? 5 times 25 over 2. What's that equal to? 5 times 25, what's that equal to? Yep, 125 divided by 2. How do you work that out? Now, Ella, how do you work out 125 divided by 2?
Don't you do 2 like long division?
Yep,
Yeah.
short division right there. 2 into 12 is 6. Carry that 1. Then 2 into 5 is what? 2. What are we going to put there next, Malale, after this? When we divide. We have to put something. The decimal place. Here and here. What are you going to put next after that, Shaylee? The 0. What are you going to carry over here, Shaylee? The 1. Well done. 2 into 10 is what now? Amar, what's that?
2 into 10?
Yep.
He didn't actually.
Sorry, Amar?
5.
5. Okay, how do you write that final answer now, Alan?
62.5%.
Well done. 62.5%. Let's go to this next question. Okay, Lucas, what's the first step to change this fraction to a percent? Times by 100.
It wasn't actually.
Now, can you simplify 5 and 100?
Yes.
What can they both divide by?
5s.
Well done. They can both divide by 5.
I was thinking
5 divided by 5 is 1. 100 divided by 5 is what, Ekim? 20. What are you now left with? What are you going to write down now, Harlow?
4 times
Times.
20.
Well done. So what's that equal to now, Alan?
80.
80 what?
80 over 1.
80 over 1? Is that your final answer?
No.
No. How do we simplify that?
No, it's just 80, the whole number.
80 what?
8%.
80%. That's it. You should know that, okay? That's what we did last week. And now we're going to go to the next step, which is expressing something as a quantity when there is a percentage of something. Okay? That's what we're going to do next. Yes, Jasmine.
Why does it have the decimals?